Dear chemistry class 11th students and my friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching NPTEL chemistry e-class and I am your chemistry detective with one new chemistry class 11th NCERT problem. So our problem is, if density of methanol is 0.93 kg per liter, what is its volume needed for making 2.5 liter of its 0.25 molar solution. Problem is based on compound methanol CH3OH. Given is its density. Now we need to calculate how much volume of methanol is needed so as to prepare its 2.5 liter solution of molarity 0.25 molar. Idea is that we can use two paths. We can use two approaches to solve this numerical problem. Approach one is that in first step we will calculate weight of methanol that is needed to prepare its 0.25 molar solution in 2.5 liters, and in next step we will convert this weight into its volume using formula of density, that density is equal to mass per unit volume. This way we can calculate what is the volume of methanol needed to prepare its said solution. Second approach is that in first step we will calculate the molarity of methanol in itself. We will calculate first the molarity of methanol as such from its given density, and then in second step we will use dilution formula and calculate how much its volume is needed so as to prepare the said solution. So approach first, if I may use approach first, idea is first I will use molarity equation. Molarity is equal to WB divided by MB multiplied by 1000 volume ml. In this equation, this is the equation of molarity, and this equation relates molarity of solution with dissolved weight of solute, molar mass of solute and volume of solution, but in ml. And if I express volume in ml in terms of volume in liters, then I need to skip this 1000. Therefore equation will be molarity is equal to WB divided by MB multiplied by volume in liters. If you use volume in ml, then you have to multiply numerator by 1000. If you use volume in liter, you need not to multiply by 1000. Now in this equation I know molarity 0.25 molar. I will first calculate mass of methanol that is needed, WB. Molar mass of methanol is 32 grams. I will express it in kg because given density is also in kg. 32 into 10 raised power minus 3 multiplied by volume. Its volume in liter is 2.5 liter. From here I will get weight of methanol that is required to prepare 0.25 molar solution in 2.5 liters, and it will come equal to 0.25 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 10 raised power minus 3 multiplied by 25, 2.5, and I have already calculated this thing. It comes equal to weight comes equal to 0.02 kg. kg of methanol is to be dissolved in 2.5 liter solution so as to get 0.25 molar solution, but we have to report answer in terms of its volume. So in second step we will use density equation. Density is equal to mass by volume, and volume will be equal to mass divided by density. Volume is equal to, what is the mass required? 0.02. What is density? Density is 0.793. So volume required will be equal to, I have already calculated this to save time. Volume is equal to 0.025 liters. This is the volume of methanol that is required to prepare its 0.25 molar solution in 2.5 liters. Now I can use second approach. In second approach, what I will do, I will first calculate molarity of methanol as such. Molarity of methanol will be equal to WB divided by MB multiplied by volume in liters. This is the equation relating molarity of solution with dissolved mass of its solute and molar mass of solute and volume of solution in liters. Since volume is in liters, no need to multiply here by 1000. Now here's our solution is methanol in itself, methanol as such. This volume is of methanol, this mass WB is of weight of methanol. WL will become volume of methanol. Then WB divided by volume will become ratio of mass and volume of methanol, that is density of methanol. Therefore I can write molarity of methanol will be equal to density of methanol divided by its molar mass. Now I will first calculate its molarity of methanol. Its density is 0.793. its molar mass, I said after calculation, comes 32 grams, but expressed in kilogram. This is its molar gram in kilogram, and I have already evaluated RHS side of it. Molarity comes equal to, molarity of methanol comes equal to 24.7 molar. This is the molarity of chemical methanol. Pure, this is the molarity of pure methanol. Now I will use dilution formula. Dilution formula is M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. remember here that 1 is methanol, pure methanol for us, and 2 is its solution which we have to make in 2.5 liter of molarity 0.25. So M2 is given 0.25 molar and V2 is given 2.5 liter. M1 we already calculated molarity of methanol, therefore 24.7. Here from this formula we have to calculate V1. V multiplied by V1 is equal to M2 is given 0.25, volume is also given 2.5. V1 will come equal to 0.25 into 25 divided by 24.7, and I have already evaluated this value. It comes V1 is equal to same 0.025 liter. Here using approach first we got volume of methanol required 0.025 liter, and using approach second we got volume of methanol required is 0.025 liter. So what you learned from this numerical problem? This numerical problem was based on methanol. Density of methanol was given. We needed to calculate what volume of methanol we have to use or take in order to prepare it 0.25 molar solution in 2.5 liters. We had to calculate what is the volume of methanol needed to prepare 2.5 liter solution of molarity 0.25 molar. I said there are two approaches. In approach 1, idea is that we will solve this problem in 2 steps. First we will calculate weight of methanol that is required to prepare 0.25 molar solution in 2.5 liters, and for that I used molarity equation and I got weight of methanol required is 0.02 kg, and then I in second step I used given value of density. I know density is equal to mass per unit volume. Density is given, mass I calculated already, mass required, and using density equation I got volume of methanol required is 0.025 liter. In order to prepare it is 0.25 molar solution in 2.5 liters. Second approach, in second approach I said there are again 2 steps. In first step you have to determine molarity of pure methanol, and using molarity equation I got molarity of pure methanol equal 24.7, but here I said that this volume of solution in liters is not the volume of solution, it is the volume of methanol as such, and this is mass of methanol, this is volume of methanol. Its ratio will become density of methanol. So density was given, molar mass of methanol is 32. I first calculated molarity of pure methanol which came 24.7. Then I used a dilution formula, M1V1 is equal to M2V2. I said M1 is the molarity of methanol, pure methanol, V1 is the volume of pure methanol we have to take so as to prepare it is 0.25 molar solution in 2.5 liters, and from here I got unknown variable. I calculated volume of methanol which came equal to 0.025 liter. This way you can solve different problems of same nature. Have these ideas in mind and apply these on many more problems of such kind. This is what I have got for you today. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. See you inshallah on Monday. Thank you.